Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a collage on Snapchat. And here's how it is done. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. From the camera screen, tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type collage. Browse through the collage lenses or templates and tap the one you like. The collage templates will open in your camera view. Add photos. Tap the camera or gallery icon in the lens, depending on the template. Choose pictures from your gallery or take new ones. Place each image into the sections of the collage. Edit the collage using the tools on the right: stickers, text, drawings, etc. When you are ready, tap the capture button to create the final collage. Send it to friends or post it to your story as usual. And that's everything to know about how to make a collage on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.